Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel FNB bank SIM card, or you can say FNB SIM card. If you have lost your SIM card or you want to cancel your SIM card for any reason, then how you can cancel. So the only method to cancel your SIM card, that is via calling method. You need to complain on FNB customer service team for related your SIM card and all. So once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your SIM card, and they will cancel your SIM card. They will ask you some reasons why you want to cancel your SIM card. You can provide any reason which is your genuine reason, then they will cancel your account, okay, related to SIM card, okay. And you need to dial this number. As you can see on your screen, this is the number, and the number is available for only on using this time frame like this. And if you have any kind of SIM, FNB SIM, then you can dial this number 135. And if you don't have any kind of FNB SIM, then you can use this number for any landline number, and you can use these numbers. And once you get connected, and they will guide you each and every information related to your SIM card cancellation process, okay. So they will cancel your process via online, and that's it, simple. So by using this method, you can easily cancel your FNB SIM card, okay. So if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.